So Bitcoin and crypto is finally pumping back from the 79,000 lows to right now at 84,000. And why? These are the news. There was a big announcement that there will be a first Bitcoin crypto summit in a White House in 6 days, basically in March 7th. And this is really huge because I think there will be some huge announcements. Something huge will be revealed about the upcoming crypto Bitcoin strategic reserve and maybe some new crypto updates. And right now you can see the markets are pumping, and I don't think we will go lower than 85,000 because I think this day will be huge. And in my opinion, Trump wants to make the crypto, basically the USA, the capital of the crypto. And he wants his meme coin Trump to pump as well. That's why I think Solana ETF will be confirmed soon as well. That's what's happening behind the scenes, if you didn't know. And if the Solana ETF is accepted, Solana will go to a new all-time highs. That's why I think meme coins is still a strong narrative, because first we have the President Trump, his own meme coin. Melania has her own meme coin. We have celebrities like Ronaldinho, Kanye West, Dave Portnoy teasing their own meme coins coming out soon. That's why I'm still bullish on meme coins, and I'm personally trading on Bullex, the fastest platform. And if you want to buy fast before everyone else, you want to track tweets, which is a great feature on this application. You can track tweets on your X on Twitter, and you can track wallets on Bullex. That's why if you want to start using Bullex, invite link is in the description and in the comment section. This is invite only. And what I'm personally doing, I am trading some meme coins on the Bullex as well. I am really bullish still on the base meme coins like Benji, TYBG, Doggin Me, because I think these have the biggest possibility to be listed on Coinbase, because Brian Armstrong and Jesse Pollack, the base founder, has talked about Doggin Me, TYBG, and Benji the most. And right now market cap is still low because everything dumped a few days ago, but right now you can see everything is pumping back. That's why there is a big chance to get some decent gains. And this video is not a financial advice. These are just my opinions. And overall, I am really bullish on crypto for the next, for the whole 2025. I think we will go deep in a bull market in 2026, maybe in 2027. The NFTs will come back. NFTs are already pumping back, as you can see in the Google Trends chart. And yeah, I'm staying really bullish on Bitcoin and whole crypto space, because we haven't yet experienced the euphoria. We haven't experienced the altcoin season, the gaming season, GameFi, crypto gaming, and I think the GTA 6 release will basically pump the markets in the gaming narrative as well. That's why big opportunities in gaming, in meme coins, in decentralized science. Let's look out for the March 7th. So basically in 6 days, we have the first Bitcoin crypto summit in the White House. And let's hope for some news from Donald Trump, from David Sachs, because I think Trump is really interested in making Bitcoin the capital of, USA the capital of crypto. That's what he has been saying. And as prices have been dumping, I think he wants to reverse that. Also, he wants his meme coin to pump. That's why Solana ETF is a big possibility, because Trump will most definitely want to make billions of his Trump meme coin. And by the way, I have my Patreon where I am posting daily alpha. And it is much easier and much faster for me to post alpha on Patreon, because it takes me a few hours to upload on YouTube. And as I see something happening on Twitter or on Telegram groups or on Discords, I am posting directly to my Patreon. Many opportunities with NFT mints, different Discord groups and alpha groups. That's why join my Patreon. Again, Bullex trading platform, invite link is in the description. Patreon channel is in the description and in the comment section. So if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press that notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.